let's flank around the right. Go all the way up the right, and then go down. Like kind of backside. Like just follow right. But it's gonna be a deep right flank, maximizing the map cover, trying to reduce the amount of shield damage I take.
Alright, so we're gonna go burst healing. We're gonna take care of anything that really kind of fucks us up, so we can just get our attack out. And once we're on point, we'll adjust according to the push.
I think Junkrat, Reaper, Hanzo, Mei, any of those could be good, or Pharah.
Here we go.
So deep right, guys.
All right.
Go right.
Hold on.
Go, 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 go,
Okay,
go,
now
go,
go.
go,
Now
go, 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 go.
Come on. Hanzo. Tracer guy.
Okay, shield is low, I gotta heal it.
You guys gotta move.
I gotta heal the shield. Shield's destroyed. Back up in the corner, back up.
Almost there.
Mercy dead.
Reinhardt's like fucking one shot.
It's
3 kills. Go point.
I need healing. I'm dead.
Oh, sorry, I was
No, that's sorry. Ana?
Mercy.
Right.
Good job, guys. They might contest.
Nice, Ryan. Beautiful.
Thank you. You traded Ryan. He charged me off the side. Okay, no, it's a Rhineless fight, guys, for like 20 seconds. Rhineless fight. No shields. And I'm gonna have Earth Shatter when I come back. I might try to use it right away. The Ryan's gonna be back later.
Oh, they're Junk's asleep. Junk's asleep.
I'm gonna try to. I might Earth Shatter. Get ready. Get by Orion. I might Earth Shatter. I think we're gonna Earth Shatter if I can get close. Here it is.
Hold.
Got both healers.
Sombra's on the back line.
Hey, yo, Mercy. Nice. Both healers dead. Save out.
Get that Rein. Rein's one.
Sombra on me.
Guys.
Sombra half. Sombra 1. Nice.
Thank you. Good shield.
I gotta grab.
Oh no.
Ah. Rip.
You had.
That was cool. We didn't even need it, dude. It's whatever. We didn't even need it.
I tried to place the fucking W.
I'm dead.
Kind of tells you had it by putting in chat.
Let's get this
Let's
Ryan.
try Ryan.
No, I tried to press W.
He's low.
Nice, coach.
Thank you.
2 big kills.
Oh, Sombra on point. Hurry.
No shield. Hacked.
Ana one. Ana one in the back. There we go. I'll try and get Sorry, dead.
Okay, fall back, regroup. Let's go bottom left for the approach, deep left. Right in the front, we have Earth Shatter in the pocket. We have pulse bomb soon.
Wait.
Halfway to
Wait
coalescence.
My ultimate ability charged.
Actually, let's go top. Follow Ryan. Let's go top. Ryan in the front. Is everyone here? Everyone's here for the most part. Focus Sombra down. Oh, focus Anna if you can. Oh, no, okay, stay top. Focus whoever you can. Try to kill. We got one. Inch up.
Help point. He's solo.
I got hit with that. Hit the Mercy. Oh.
Mercy dead.
down. Sombra.
And a half.
Rein half.
Help her, Ryan. Our Ryan's down.
I'm dead.
Yeah, we gotta fall back, regroup. Our Ryan's down. Fall back, regroup. Let's go top again.
Alright, Lucio, can you go Mercy?
We just gotta outkill him.
Yeah.
Just for a little bit.
Let's go top left, guys. Top left. Same way.
Go around. Just go left. All the way down.
Okay,
Right here,
let's go down. Drop down.
Now.
fucking
Sombra blind.
still.
Got one kill.
Rein off.
Rein gone, Rein gone.
Here we go,
Hey,
here we go,
that's
here we
big.
go.
Two kills. Stay safe. Mercy half. On point.
Anna.
You shield, on point.
Sombra's on me
Anna
the
one.
entire game.
Sombra down.
Junk. Rein. Nice move.
Good job, guys.
Okay. A little early, but that's fine.
We have shatter. Help mercy.
We're good. Sombra up top though.
Focus tire. What happened there? That runs down. Like I tried to turn it last minute, it wouldn't give me the turn. Like I think I don't know if my mouse pads or what. Like I tried to turn and beat it, but that was like it barely pierced my shield. You gave it to. That's all you had to do.
Oh my god, Fear.
We have shatter. Blocked it.
Oh, the Rhino was low. Nice.
Oh, and a 1 and a half. Hawk half, no bait. Nice.
Here we go,
Big.
guys.
That was a big counter shatter. That's the second counter shatter I was able to get this game.
They're going around.
After that Ryan bucket,
You shield.
Sombra.
Orion's down. We're inches, guys. We're inches.
Not for very long.
Zin. Nice.
Oh,
Big grab.
That's big. Keep swinging.
Hit the Moira and monkey him.
Oh no.
Shatter incoming. Oh, no one's there. There's someone should have said not to do it. No one was there. Damn it. My bad.
I'm going back. Reaper, watch out.
Wait, fall back. Regroup. 45 seconds.
That's a pick.
Oh, we got 3 at spawn now. We're 5 on 5. They have spawn revenge. We should just fall back.
Watch your dragon.
Fall back. 30 seconds.
Anybody.
Okay, let's push for 30 seconds. Sombra top. Use a shield. Walk up, use a shield.
Han's behind.
The Rein is dead. We have 2.
Vulnerable. Ten seconds. Gotta rush to touch.
Wait.
We can still win this.
Okay, you can go.
Gotta rush to touch. It's like right now. Yeah, we're not gonna make it. Nice try.
You guys want to do one tank and then I go legit and help the other 2 supports?
Yeah, do that. We'll get the May out, but we gotta have a strong deep.
You guys should go some more out.
Send.
Oh no, Feather, you're gonna have to run. Sorry.
It's fear, bro.
Oh, fear. Sorry. Maybe like a soldier or I almost want to say like a widow, reaper, something we can get kills with the fair. Just want to make sure we got them nice and staggered.
Don't stay up there for too long. No one to drop down. Because then we'll be the ones attacking.
They're going right.
Hey, they're in Viking. That's a pick. That's a pick.
Nice. Big.
Ryan's going point. Ryan's
Nice.
going point. What's up?
Fall back to
dead.
point. Resing Zen.
Good job.
Come back for a reset.
Break shield, break shield, break shield, break shield.
Sombra's on someone.
Fire.
Got like several coming top left. Rein's walled, Rein's walled, Rein's walled. Got him.
Sombra on
He's healing? Thank you.
Right, Hanzo won. Hanzo literally won. Nice.
Where
Is anybody dead? Are we all alive?
Fall back, I guess. Doing great, guys. Keep it up.
Sombra on me? She's gonna try.
Cluster up on Ryan in the back.
I got chatter.
Sombra on me again.
Yeah, the Sombra. Shit. No res.
The Hanjo's low.
Nice shot there.
I'm dead. I think I might switch to creep.
Nice. Yeah.
We can test.
Fire, try and hit
I think it's there.
probably one shot.
I mean, I can hold when it goes with.
Go. I'm behind you.
We have half.
Yeah, go on with Rein, Go.
I'm going. I have transcendence.
Okay, we're 5.
Alright, fuck this noise. I'm killing that goddamn.
Damn.
Oh,
It's
man.
the Sombra that's
Bravo. I think Bridger can count.
You probably should go Tracer, man.
Sombra's going to the left. This room.
Lower or upper?
Lower. Oh,
Piece of sack of shit.
I'm dropping.
Focus Ryan, focus Ryan. Ryan half. Ryan dead.
Now there's one.
Sombra dead.
Shit.
Zin hacks. Good job, guys.
Left.
We have EMP.
Oh, come on.
Bridget, bash the Reinhardt.
Oh, I'm right here.
Group up.
Yeah, bash the Reinhardt and I'll shoot.
Somebody get high ground.
Alright, so we're focusing
We
right
have
now.
EMP. She might be looking for an EMP.
They're coming around right. Rein's coming around right. Far right.
I'm hacked.
They're coming around far right, yeah. They're flanking all the way around.
They're behind cart.
Behind.
Copy that.
Hanzo 1.
I can res that.
Made it out of the trends.
No tanks. Can you help me?
No healers.
Get the Zen. Zen's 1.
Got him. They're low. We can rush back. Trickle back. It's even spawn advantage right now. I think it's even spawn rooms. Like halfway.
Let me go Genji.
Trickle back. They're only 3 on point.
Sombra's
We have EMP.
Right.
Oh,
They 3-0. They 3-0 today.
Wow, nice level. We still catch that.
You got 2 minutes.
We have EMP.
Pretty good first spawn, Mercy. Hell yeah.
Fuck. It's gonna be hard to get over there.
Wait, who's back there?
It's Sombra. I got stuck. Okay, we have EMP. I can get a good one.
Oh
We
no.
lost Mercy. That's big. Be careful. We might have to give up free space. I can go for EMP.
Touch the Rein.
Should I go for the EMP? We got a kill.
Shots.
I'm gonna go for EMP. Here it is.
Yes, got it.
Got this in.
Oh, that Zarya's.
Alright. Should
I
we
was
make
looking
changes
at
or
it.
what?
Yeah, I'm gonna go
You got
Bastion.
retreat now?
I'm going Bastion.
Bastion, you're just gonna get hacked, man.
Nah, dude, she's not everywhere. You're acting like, oh. Nah, I'm good.
We just need to
Break
stall
shield.
for a minute.
Break shield. The focus Ryan. He's half.
Zen's low.
Got him. Good heals. Winnable. It's winnable. They're running down. They have no shield.
Gotta stop the point. Not getting kills.
Oh.
I was right on the corner.
I have Valk on the way.
Got a Sombra. Moira 1.
Come on, we got a chance here.
What?
Watch the left side. Behind us.
They got a long walk. Make your ult count. Save him if you can.
Spread out if you guys can. 'Cause they're gonna have grab.
Think so?
Call a target.
I'm on
I'm
Rein.
going
Rein.
Nice pick.
Rein's one.
Might be winnable.
Moira 1.
Don't C9. Oh, that was huge.
Great
Sombra's
job.
behind.
For the win,
Sombra's
for the win.
behind. To the left.
Don't
Group up here. DPS.
C9.
Watch out,
Too far.
Sombra. Stay on
I'm staying on point.
Sombra's still
Yeah,
up.
Sombra's
5
back
seconds.
here.
5 seconds.
Back here.
Good kill.
Big
Right
pick.
there, Bridget. Right there. She's back there.
They're down one.
Got one.
Okay, we're gonna
Nice.
kill Sombra. Kill Sombra. Thank you.
Here comes the Rein.
They're low. They're low people.
Nice.
Big. Nice, guys.
Good game.
Let's go.
Hell yeah.
Tough one.
Only endorse that guy.
In the enemy team. We played really well. 3 golds. Takeaways.